So here is how you can get a full trade journal on Notion for absolutely free. Now, first of all, you want to open up Notion on a web browser or on the Notion app on your device here. And then you simply want to go over to where it says private, click on the plus icon. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the bottom, scroll all the way across, and we need to now select the templates. Now, what we need to do from this page is go to the top right hand corner, and I'm just going to simply search for Trade Journal. Once you search for this, it will then bring up a load of different options. Now, some of them are paid versions, but a lot of these are free, and the free versions are very, very good. And there is a lot of different ones that you can preview and choose from on this page. So if you want to load up more, you can click on load more, which will then load up even more trade journal templates here. So let's just say that I want to download this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, or maybe even this one actually. This one looks really good. It's 4.9 star rating. So we'll click on this. And then once we click on this, we can then click on preview. And the preview is an uneditable version. So as you can see, this is what it would look like. If we scroll down, it will show you a lot of different things inside this journal. And if you want to add this to your Notion, you can add this. So if we go back, you can then click on add, and then it will then take a couple of minutes just to, go over to your Notion on a duplicate page. So as you can see, this has fully duplicated onto my Notion. I can click into this, and as you'll notice now, you'll be able to go into any of this here, and you can make different changes to wherever it is. So you can add your own symbols, you can add your own different models, or anything that you want. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can get a full trade journal on Notion.